Welcome to the channel. Let's see this question. Okay, this is the right hand question. So let's see very carefully. Now this is same as, this implies this can be written as what? Log of, what is cot? Cot means what? Cos x upon sin x up to the base cos x plus 4 log, what is 10? 10 is what? Sin x upon cos x to the base sin x is equals to 1. Now this is same as, let's apply log of m by n. Okay, log of m by n is what? It implies log of m means what? Cos x minus log of sin x to the base what? Cos x to the base cos x plus 4. Here also let's apply log of sin x minus log of cos x. Here to, this is where base x base sin x is equals to 1. 1 minus log of sin x to the base cos x plus 4. Here this also 1. Okay, here 4 into 1 minus, I will open the bracket, 4 into 1 minus 4 log of cos x to the base sin x equals to 1. Now this minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. What we have is this can be written as minus log of sin x to the base cos x here. Okay, and let's bring here minus 4 log of cos x to the base sin x is equals to here minus 4. Okay, if I multiply minus on both sides, so all become plus over here. This become plus, this become also plus. Now consider this. Okay, look at this. Now we have log of sin x to the base cos x. Here log of cos x to the base sin x. Okay, now if I consider this, if I consider this as a t, what t is what? Log of sin x to the base cos x. If I consider this as a t, then this is its reciprocal, right? Therefore this can be written as t plus 4t. If it is t, then this will be what? 1 by 4. Okay, 4 is there, so reciprocal means 4 by t is equals to 4 is implies. Now take LCM. This become t square plus 4, okay, minus 4t is equals to 0. This is what? This become t minus 2 the whole square equals to 0. Is implies t equals to 2. Okay, what is t? Okay, t is this. Now what is t? T equals to 2 means t is what? 2 log of sin x to the base cos x equals to 2. This implies sin of x equals to what? By log property is cos square x. Okay, so remember we have sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. We have sin square x plus cos square equals to 1. What is cos square? Is what? Cos square is 1 minus sin square. Instead of this, here sin of x minus is equals to, what is cos? Is what? 1 minus sin square x. Therefore, if I bring this side, becomes sin square x plus sin x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now what is this? This is quadratic in sin x. Okay. So it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So now it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is equals to what? A equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 1. Its roots are minus b, minus 1, plus minus b square means 1 square is 1 minus 4ac. Okay, here plus 4 upon 2 into 1. Okay, Therefore, here minus 1 plus minus root of 5 upon 2. Okay. This is what? The roots of sin x. Values of sin x. You can say sin x equals to this. Okay. Now here we cannot take minus. Why? Because the sin x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Now if you take minus, then it will go beyond its domain. Therefore, we need to remove minus over here. Okay. Now let's check. The given is this. Okay. Now by given x equals to sine inverse alpha plus root of beta upon 2, is implies sin x equals to alpha plus root of beta upon 2. Okay. Now let's compare with this. Okay, we have sin x over here. Let's compare with this and this. Okay. Let's comparing by comparing. We have alpha plus root of beta upon 2 equals to minus 1 plus root of 5 upon 2. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, alpha equals to minus 1 and beta equals to what? 5. So, what they are asking? They are asking alpha plus beta. Okay. Therefore, alpha plus beta equals to minus 1 plus 5 equals to 4. Okay. 4 is the required answer.